Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious peach cobbler that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing peach cobbler, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, baking powder, vanilla paste, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, a can of peaches, all-purpose flour, and let's get ready. Let's make this delicious and amazing peach cobbler at home. I'm going to start, of course, first putting all my peaches and draining all the peaches. The reason that I do this first is because we need to measure the liquid that is inside the peaches. And here I have the all-purpose flour. I have my granulated sugar. I'm going to add the pinch of salt, the baking powder, and of course I am going to incorporate everything really good. You want to make sure that you incorporate really good. You don't need to put all these dry ingredients into a sifter. There's no need for that. But now that you have all your dry ready, now we're ready to start with our baking dish. I have the unsalted butter melted and I have it right on the bottom of this baking dish. Just move it around, make sure that you cover the edges so that the peach cobbler doesn't stick to the baking dish, and then you're ready to add your peaches. Once you add your peaches, just distribute them really good on the bottom, and now you are ready to measure the liquid that was in the peaches. You are going to use 2 cups of that syrup. I am going to go ahead and start measuring the liquid. Just make sure that it's 2 cups. If it has more, leave it behind. Just use 2 cups of this liquid. And now add your vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Once you add it, just incorporate it really good before you add it into your dry ingredients. This peach cobbler comes out delicious, amazing, very few ingredients, and you are really going to love it, let me tell you. And with the scoop of vanilla ice cream right on the top, well, who doesn't like peach cobbler? I am sure that you have all the ingredients, very easy to prepare. And the best thing is that I am using the all-purpose flour. I'm not using cake flour, I'm using just the all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon. Incorporate it really good, and now I am ready to add it to the dry ingredients. Once you add it to your dry ingredients, just mix it really good, making sure that there is no lumps, making sure that there is no dry ingredients behind. The mixture is going to be a little thick, but you're going to see how it is. It's not too runny, but believe me, this peach cobbler is going to come out delicious. And now, of course, I am ready to pour it right on the top of the peaches. Make sure that you cover all the peaches and you get everything out of this bowl, all the batter. This is going to be enough for about 7 people, to serve about 7 people. Here in my family, we are a family of 6, but it's more than enough, believe me. I'm going to add some granulated sugar right on the top. You're going to have all the ingredients in the description box. Before you put it in the oven, just make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 45 minutes. And when it comes out, your home is going to smell amazing. The aroma of the peaches is going to invade your kitchen. Well, here, this is ready after 45 minutes. And let me show you how this looks. It's really crispy, From the top, it's golden brown, but yet from the center, it's really gooey. The peaches are just al dente. You guys are really going to love this amazing dessert made at home with lots of love. Of course, you're gonna add a very generous scoop of vanilla ice cream right on the top. Believe me, you guys are going to love this peach cobbler, especially that it's made with the all-purpose flour. Look at this. I'm going to add right on the top my scoop of vanilla ice cream. And now I am ready to enjoy. I am ready for this delicious, scrumptious peach cobbler made at home with lots of love. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing homemade peach cobbler. Easy to make, perfect for this hot weather, but this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And a scoop of very cold vanilla ice cream, you know, just perfection, made at home. It's still nice and hot, and the vanilla, it's already getting nice and melting right on the top of this peach cobbler. Let me stop talking and let me really taste and enjoy this peach cobbler made at home. Excuse me. You know something? The topping is really crispy on the top, but yet in the center and the bottom, it's really moist. The peaches are just nice and soft, nice and warm, and the combination of the vanilla ice cream, just perfection. Excuse me. It's not too sweet. It's just made with lots of love. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious and amazing peach cobbler. See you soon. Bye-bye.